Hello everybody. Today I want to show to you very interesting and I would say new trick on how to set up multiple Acumatica ERP instances on the single machine. So kind of background information. As usually I used to have, as you can see on my computer, I have Acumatica instances from 20 basically 21 and up to 24 205 0015. Now I want to show you how I would install how I would install preview build of 25R1, and I have this described on my blog as well, but I want to show to you how to do that not through separate installation, but how I would achieve that with help of command prompt. For this purpose, I pre-downloaded Acumatica installer. I renamed it. You can see here I have this command, and I want to show you how it would look like once I will have it executed in command prompt. So I have PowerShell. As you can see, I played a bit, and basically once I run this command, I'm executing this from MSI folder. I'm using this command, this key. I want to install to target dir, and when I click on enter, you can see this installer opening. It says gathering required information, and what it will do, it will create an Acumatica ERP folder. Like I don't want to meddle with the process. Basically it says it will take 44 seconds.
A few moments later.
Done. After that, if I go up, you can see here we have all necessary files, and now in order to install Acumatica, I can go into command prompt. Sorry, I will not go to command prompt. I now go to Acumatica config, and boom, I can install Acumatica as if it was installed in clean, fresh folder. Want to invite everybody to click on like and subscribe button, and feel free also to leave some comments here on my blog. Thanks everybody for attention.